You have big plans for your advisory business, but legacy technology, siloed systems, and manual workflows could be holding you back. How do you bridge the gap between where you are today and where you want to be in the future? The right technology platform will help you manage the programs you have now and give you the flexibility to grow and innovate in a way that works for you. It will seamlessly plug into your existing technology ecosystem, creating simple, efficient workflows so advisors have more time to focus on their clients and grow business. The right platform can unlock your firm's investment capabilities to better align with client goals, improve outcomes and build trust, and power your future strategic plans. And with powerful risk management tools, balance advisor autonomy with enterprise risk. With the right managed account platform, you're able to give advisors time back to optimize client experience and outcomes, gain significant operational efficiencies to reduce costs, and scale to enable your future growth and manage through unforeseen market changes. Many potential partners promise future functionality, but the Vestmark One platform is not aspirational. It's here today. Talk to us about your vision, and we'll show you how we can help.